Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, and that is my cell phone in my hand. And the black areas of branches that look like make the painting look like trees are something I added digitally with my phone's editor. Now I'm going to take it away and show you the original and shimmer it at you before we go ahead and add the black. Alright, so I tried to feel bad about it, and I don't. I like it. My husband likes it. I'm going to do it. I know it's beautiful and shimmery, and I could leave it. I really could. And I could also do it several different ways. I could do it this way, and I could do it this way. But I decided to go ahead and do it the way I'm going to do it. So, let me see if we're in frame completely. No, we're not. That was clever of me, huh? So, that's upside down. We're going to be doing it this way. And I'm going to shimmer that at you a little bit just because. And I have a nice picture of it. And it is beautiful. And oh well. So, now, do I have it the right way up? No, I don't. I'm still confused. I have a dish next to me with tools in it to make branches and tree trunks. Spatula, plastic palette knife, little hair tool on my Amazon link you can find in the link tree that's under show more under the video, clothing tag, and a piece of tongue depressor, as well as a couple of pieces of skewer. So I've got meat and black, and I'm going to give myself a line of that in that dish. And I'm also going to allow myself to have some Mayan Gold, which is a Prizm pour. Because I don't think it should have to be straight black. I've got a little bit of Interference Gold. I'm not sure why I'm adding that, but I know if it thins the black, that'd be okay. I don't have a gray. I don't really want to make a gray with white. I could do so, but this is French silk. This is kind of an off-white. It's a beautiful shimmering color in any case. If I need to add more black, I will. And last but not least, a little bit of true silver, because I can. The name of my book next to my second book, Unlimited Possibilities. My first book is Because I Can. And there on the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. Which reminds me, there is a Colourarte coupon code underneath the video. Now I may have to stop and re-up my phone at some point in time. But right now, I'm going to put my first tree in. Or my first tree branch, I should say. I think I'm going to need more black. Now I made this one go all the way down to this other area because I like that texture. And then I just fattened this up for the base. It reminds me of something, hey, fingers work. It reminds me of something that would be like bonsai-ish is the word I'm looking for. And that's working okay. I'm liking that a lot. I might have to fatten up down the bottom. Now I think I did black out some of that orange up there. I made it look more like a branch. And I also connected this. I need a shorter card. Let's use the spatula, Princeton art tool. I'm going to use a shorter card. Hopefully my head's not completely blocking everything. I'm about to put more black out. I don't know if the other colors make any difference at all. They might add some shimmer tomorrow. And that branch is too thick. But the good thing about a dry painting is that you can change what you want pretty easily. I do love the way this looks. And I'm going to link this up right now. It's nice to have a long card, but it's nicer to be able to use the short cards or the spatulas. Oh, I don't like it when I get too much paint on there. I didn't realize I had so much. Let's put some of that away. I may go back in after and add a few more branches if that seems like a good idea at the time. I want to just sort of jump around a little bit here. I like this gold area as if it were a trunk. I don't want to take away all the cool cells that are around it. I am trying to keep an eye on what I'm doing. I have this other little area here I just noticed that needs to be a tree also. Maybe I'll just make this into 2 trees. Two trees joined together. I think that's a good idea. I really don't want to take away any cells. But when I get too much paint on, I'm just going to use my finger to remove it. Now, I want to continue that mark down here. I guess that's where it's going. Gotta lose some of those pretty cells. But I am liking what I'm getting a lot. Trying to keep it going. And I think I've got more up here that I thought about after I looked at what I had done and decided to add more. And I'm going to flip this around pretty quick and show you guys. What fun is this? This is so surreal. This is Tim Burton type forest for sure. Tim Burton did the Nightmare Before Christmas and a whole lot of other really cool stuff, including Edward Scissorhands. So I don't know how much more I need to do. I'm pretty sure if I want to, I should bring another tree trunk down here from up here. I am finding that the little spatula, the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, there's like 7 of these, and you can definitely find them on my Amazon link. If you ever need any help, just ask. I'd be happy to help you. I never finished working on this tree over here. I'm just sort of pointing my branches in the direction of the foliage. It's nice that it's fall because I can use the foliage the colors it is. I've got another potential tree over here. And why not continue on, because it looks like a forest, you know? It's pretty cool. I'm liking it. Come to the dark side. There's even a little tiny baby tree in the background there. That's pretty cool. Now if I want, like I said, I can take my skewer where I've got any little puddles and just grab a hold of them. This one definitely wants to be adjusted, I think. I think it's going to get adjusted right down through everything that's there. And I'll just keep linking up anything. I thought the pink would be good as clouds, but I like it better as foliage. And it doesn't, you could have the the bare trees without any foliage at all. So if you feel like you've got a space that would look better with something filling in, why not go for that? There goes my phone. Yeah, I hadn't thought about just continuing on and filling in everything as if it were all trees, but why not do that? Because that just makes the continuity that much better. I want to turn this around for you guys so bad. I can't even tell you. I figure anything that's not strictly black is going to look pretty cool, because it'll be like it's catching the light. Now let's use the skewer and add a few branches here and there, if I can. If it's not too late, maybe I'll dip it in some paint first. Maybe that'll be smart. Well, I could probably do some of that after you're gone, to be honest with you, and nobody would know the difference. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking that. If I need to have any changes, I think I'm going to do this up here. Turn that out a little bit. Turn that around for you guys. Call it good. And you know about that. I can call it good now, but let's make that a fat little trunk. And I might be capable of doing almost anything to change things up just a tad. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I hope you get what I was doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. Please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it when you share my videos. You help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. All my links are on my link tree underneath the video. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. I will be torching, but it will be pretty brief because there's not much point. I don't think there are too many bubbles in that black. There might be a reason to motivate some of it out of where it's at, but otherwise, thank you for the donations through PayPal, and thank you to those of you who have joined for $9.99 a month, who now have access as members to the members-only library. Well, there's more than 50 videos there for your enjoyment. I mentioned my 2 books. They're on the Amazon link, along with 4 lists of tools and paint and canvases, cameras, tents, you name it. My paint pouring recipes will be underneath the video. Whatever I have forgotten to tell you is Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my all on my link tree, along with Le Gallerist, Society 6. I may have mentioned this at the end of the other video. I think that's pretty much it. Spring clothing under the video, Le Gallerist, and Teespring, spring clothing under the video, Society 6, Pinterest, Instagram, all are places where I can design the clothing according to whatever is available from my artwork and translate it into merchandise or prints. I can see now that there's just no way I'm going to be able to continue without fixing a couple things. So you'll forgive me if it's a tad changed, but it won't be much. And if I'm quick, maybe I can shimmer this at you. Oh, I closed it up. But I'll have to try and turn this other light out. I don't think shimmering the black at you is a point, but I like the background, and the foliage is pretty awesome. And I don't think we destroyed anything. We just made a spooky forest. Just in time for Halloween. Yay! Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.